Hey Pam, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Good. So I wanted to get you in here because you have been doing the BioTe treatment here at Nowak Aesthetics, and I want to kind of have you share a little bit about your experience. And so many people, like I was just saying, usually they come in here, they get fillers, Botox, something that you could see aesthetically, but in your case, it is a little different. So if you could tell everybody what kind of treatment you're getting, how you're feeling, what kind of results you already see, and let's share.
Okay, so I would say the biggest thing for me right now is just noticing 7 months ago I was at 63 markers where that was severe, and now we just did my markers today and I'm at 8, so that's huge for me.
And if you could explain, if somebody's watching this video and they don't know what you're talking about with
so there's
markers
a sheet that you fill out that explains where your symptoms are, hot flashes and your libido and irritability and that kind of stuff, and so you fill those out from 1 to 1 to 5, I believe, and then based on the severity, so mild to severe.
Okay.
And mine were all in the severe marker. I was having horrible hot flashes 3, 4, or 5 times a day, if not longer, completely sweating, having to change the bedding and everything, before. And then my friend told me about this, and I was like, okay, let me research it, do a little bit more, and found out that it was natural and that there were no side effects, that, were going to be anything that I had to worry about. So I thought I'd give it a try. So I gave it a try, and it's been, honest to God, it's been life-changing. Life-changing because in 7 months, my markers from where I did the consultation from 63 to 8 it's just mind-blowing for me.
Incredible,
honestly.
incredible. So how many BioTe treatment, pellet treatments have you had so far?
I have had 3 since the last 7 months. So for 7 months, I've had 3 treatments, and I was a little nervous about that because, to be honest with you, I was, when I read what had to be done, I was kind of nervous about that. You absolutely feel nothing. You feel nothing when you're getting the pellets in. Just the concept is a little scary because you think, oh my gosh, it's gonna hurt you. Not at all. It's one of the easiest techniques that I think that, being administered into your body, and just again, the life-changing, how you feel after you've have them in your system. You have so much energy, your libido is off the charts, which my husband is thrilled about. So honestly, that is a game changer right there. Just having the skin, your skin's not dry and wrinkly, and you just feel better, and there's just so many benefits to having it done.
All right, and what would you suggest or recommend somebody to do right now if they were going through all this?
I have shouted this from the rooftops, and I have told people, you are an absolute fool if you don't do this. I mean, it truly, my husband is just like, I don't care what it costs. Your libido is off the charts. Let's get this done. And, you feel like you're in high school again. You truly have so much energy, and you're just so vivacious. You just feel like you just have life back.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
You're so welcome.